Number 17, incredible technology here. This railway tie replacement machine works wonders by swapping out old ties without the hassle of track removal. Its built-in tie changer grabs and replaces ties swiftly, then redistributes the ballast perfectly. With a focus on efficiency, this machine cuts down on labor and downtime, making rail maintenance smoother than ever. A true asset for keeping our tracks in top shape. Number 18, the 12V71 Detroit diesel engine paired with the Kenworth truck is a legendary combo in road transport. This 12-cylinder, two-stroke powerhouse is renowned for its durability and impressive sound. It's built to handle heavy loads in tough conditions with ease, perfect for long hauls and road trains in Australia. The distinct roar of the 12V71 is iconic and a key part of road train culture, an absolute beast on wheels. Number 27, the Liebherr R950 Tunnel Latronic is here with a stage-wide upgrade. This excavator packs 190 kilowatt of power, making it ideal for demanding tunnel operations with heights of 5.1 to 8 meters. With an operating weight of up to 45 to 300 kilo, it's ready to tackle your toughest jobs while meeting the latest emission standards. Number 28, the Hyundai HL 980A with its Cummins X12 engine is a game changer. Delivering 351 HP, it's designed for efficiency and meets all emission standards. The 7.3 bucket reduces spillage and increases capacity. With the EcoGauge and HiMate system, operators can easily monitor fuel consumption and other vital data. This wheel loader is all about maximizing productivity and efficiency on the job site. Number 9, the Top Turn X4500 by Comtech is a top-tier compost turner for mid-sized operations. It has a 275 HP engine, a robust retractable frame, and a hydraulic service platform with an integrated ladder. The large drum and paddles mix compost thoroughly, reducing odors effectively. Plus, the hydraulic cabin with temperature and pressure control makes operation comfortable. Number 10, Sandvik DR412i is a powerhouse. Its ability to handle 203mm, 300mm hole diameters and depths up to 33 meters is incredible. The 950 HP engine ensures robust performance, and the onboard automation maximizes drilling efficiency. Perfect for those demanding mining operations. Number 11, impressed by the Bomag BC 1173. This compactor with Stage 5 Ars Tier 4F emissions, a weight of 56 Journal 600 ton, and 430.0 no power, is built to last. The latest technology ensures high productivity and low operating costs. The operator support system is a huge plus for efficiency, a must-have. Number 5, the Komatsu Joy 22 HD. Hybrid loader is a game changer for underground mining. Combining a traditional diesel engine with hybrid electric drive, it's designed to improve performance while reducing emissions. With a 22-ton payload, it's efficient, powerful, and significantly reduces fuel consumption by up to 30%. Perfect for any mining operation. Number 9. Incredible power from the Überrassen TB2-200. With its 2,200 plus horsepower, this snowblower is definitely built to handle the harshest winter conditions. Heading to Germany, it's going to be a game changer for snow removal. What a machine! Number 28. The Hydrema 912 GS rail combines power, stability, and comfort in one machine. Perfect for rail tracks with its flexible rail modules and AS7502 compliance. The high performance and large payload capacity make it a standout choice for any rail maintenance task. Number 19. Spedition Kubler GmbH. Kubler recently undertook the impressive task of transporting a massive ship to its new location. The process began with detaching the ship's upper deck from the hull. This upper deck was then transported separately to a carrier. Meanwhile, Kubler's B crew focused on transporting the ship's hull. Prior to the operation, they ran numerous simulations to ensure every aspect of the move was meticulously planned. As a result, when the actual operation commenced, it went smoothly, demonstrating the effectiveness of their thorough preparation and planning. Number 22, meet Rex, the 160-ton powerhouse. At just 4.8 meters wide, Rex is perfect for tight haul roads and steep gradients up to 12%. Its ability to handle challenging terrains with ease, combined with its impressive 20-30% fuel savings and a range of up to 40 kilometers when loaded, makes it an exceptional choice for any mining operation. This truck truly redefines efficiency and haulage. Number 25, the Braun 250 utility plow is a beast in the field. With a powerful 335 HP engine and a depth of 66 inches, it handles any soil type with ease. The oscillating track frame ensures stability, while the spacious cab keeps the operator comfortable during long hours of work. Number 26, the John Deere 944X is here to redefine efficiency in wheel loaders. With a hybrid electric drive system, it offers remarkable fuel savings and reduced emissions. Powered by a John Deere PowerTech TM PSS 6135 engine, it delivers 536 HP and 2530 Nm of torque. Ideal for heavy-duty tasks in mining, construction, and industrial applications. Awarded the Red Dot Design Award in 2022. Number 30. The Gripen 040 is a game changer for recycling and heavy lifting. This grab features an impressive grip width and is crafted with a solid, weld-free top for maximum stability. Equipped with a load-holding valve and piston accumulator, it ensures safe and efficient load handling. With a maximum load capacity of 3,000 kg and a working pressure of 25 mpm, it's engineered for superior performance and versatility in tough conditions. Number 1, the E-Dumper is the ultimate example of electric vehicle innovation. Equipped with a colossal 4.5-ton battery, it's the largest electric dump truck ever made. At 58 tons empty, it can carry an additional 65 tons of material. Converted from a Komatsu 605-7 HD, the e-dumper replaces diesel with electric, proving that heavy-duty machinery can be both powerful and green. An incredible step forward in industrial innovation. Number 1, the Cat 7495 is an absolute powerhouse. With a dipper payload of 120 tons and a capacity of up to 62.7 m3, this electric rope shovel redefines efficiency and reliability. Its state-of-the-art operator's cab and innovative AC IGBT electrics mean faster cycle times and lower operating costs. A top choice for long-life mines. Number 12. The 8600 Badger Breaker is a force to be reckoned with. This self-propelled machine carries a huge 12,000-pound hammer with an adjustable drop height of up to 9 feet. Seeing it take down a U.S. military runway is impressive. It's built to handle the toughest concrete demolition tasks. Number 13. The X-Peng Aero HT is a marvel of modern engineering. Transforming a standard car into a flying vehicle with rotor blades that fold away is simply amazing. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, and it's fantastic to see such advancements becoming a reality. Number 14. The BMAG Green Cargo is definitely a standout in the agricultural machinery field. Its origins from beet harvesters and the evolution to a screw conveyor setup show how design can be refined over time. Plus, the inclusion of modern features like auto steering and advanced control systems is fantastic. Number 30. Impressive performance and versatility from Proxy Trade, SP's sleeper replacement tool. Its ability to dig into track ballast and reduce labor costs makes it a valuable asset. The clamp force and compatibility with various sleepers are top-notch. Number 19. The Vermeer TG7000 is a top-notch machine for big land clearing and wood waste projects. The automatic torque control and cutting system with 10 hammers and 20 double bolt cutter blocks make it incredibly effective in low maintenance. The optional climate-controlled cab and grapple loader make it a one-man operation, which is fantastic for saving on labor and boosting productivity. Definitely worth a look for major projects. Number 8. The engineering behind the DPRT is truly impressive. The dual-engine design, coupled with the robust construction and advanced control systems, ensures optimal performance and reliability in even the harshest conditions. This is a testament to the innovation happening in the transportation sector. Number 9. Mastenbrook CT12 takes trenching to a new level. The larger full-width hopper and the variable speed conveyor handle various materials with ease. The enhanced operator access and visibility, coupled with the independent hydraulic oil cooler, show how thoughtfully designed this machine is. A top choice for any serious trenching project. Number 1. Witnessing the Bucyrus RH340 or H340B at work is a jaw-dropping experience. This 498-ton giant boasts a 34 Mars 3 bucket capacity, making it a beast in the mining world. Its 3,000 horsepower from dual QSK-45 engines ensures it operates with maximum power and efficiency. The sheer force it generates is something to behold. Number 2. Holy smokes, this T-Wow 5 Fury is a beast. That high wall cutting capability is insane. Perfect for getting right up close without risking the machine. Love how Vermeer thought of everything, even the remote control for maintenance. This thing is a game changer for any serious earth-moving project. Number 3, the Tesmec 1150 EVO chainsaw trencher is incredible. It can dig up to 12 feet deep and 42 inches wide, powered by a 451 HP engine. The EVO technology ensures excellent performance on hard rocks while keeping costs low. The Trenchtronic electronic control system and DGPS guidance with Trench Intel are fantastic features for precision and efficiency. Number 6. Whoa, this Liebherr 974 is an absolute monster. The sheer power and size of this machine is mind-blowing. I'd love to see it in action on a massive mining operation. Liebherr never disappoints when it comes to heavy-duty equipment. Number 4, the Mastenbrock 2015 drainage trencher is a beast. Its Volvo EU Stage 4 engine delivers 328 HP, making trenching a breeze. The adjustable trench width from 125mm to 450, and the spoiled discharge system are fantastic. The machine's elevating cabin is ROPS certified, ensuring operator safety. It's an impressive piece of equipment for any large-scale drainage project. Number 5. Wow, the Duramus D150T off-road mining truck is impressive. It handles 150 metric tons of gold ore over 144 kilometers and 8% slopes while cruising at 50 km AVH. Operating in the Kavalik region of Nunavut, where temperatures can drop below 45 degrees Celsius, this truck is built to last. With a powerful Exa15 engine and robust transmission systems, it's a prime example of heavy-duty innovation. Number 6. The Kunlun CRCC 1,000-ton bridge girder erection machine is a true marvel. At 40 milliliters long, 9.3 milliliters high, and 967 tons, it can lift and transport 1,000-ton bridge girders with ease. With its 15,000 parts, it's built for construction environments ranging from 20 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees C, and can withstand winds up to level 7 in operation and level 11 when idle. The laser radar sensors ensure precise alignment even in low light. It saves 20% on costs and speeds up construction by 25%. Number 7. The Vermeer CT718 is a game changer in composting. This machine sets new standards with its efficiency and productivity. The updated control display and side rear view cameras make it a breeze to operate. Plus, the FlexAir fan pitch optimizes horsepower usage by adjusting based on engine temperature. Perfect for anyone looking to streamline their composting process. Number 16. Imagine soaring over traffic in your own personal flying car. This Xpeng X2 is the ultimate status symbol. The minimalist design is stunning, and the carbon fiber structure screams luxury. Sign me up for a test flight. Number 17, check out the Seedmaster Nova Aircart Series 2. This cart offers improved accuracy and efficiency with its upgraded stainless steel metering system and enhanced air control. The high-capacity S3 fan and new calibration technology ensure precise product delivery. The sturdy build, better walk-up steps, and ISO compatibility make this cart an excellent investment for any farming operation. Number 18. This Duratec HD9 Jettons grading chipper is a beast. We've been using it on our forestry operations, and it's made clearing land so much easier. It chews through thick branches and logs like they're nothing. The diesel engine is powerful and reliable, and the machine itself is built to last. Number 19. The Crest 200 Free is a game changer for coal transport. Its efficient design and high payload capacity mean you get more done with less fuel. The smooth ride and outstanding stability make it perfect for tough mining environments, and with support from the Caterpillar dealer network, it's a reliable choice for any operation. Number 4, I saw this Interdrain 4045T in action on a neighboring farm, and I was blown away. It dug a long, deep trench in no time. The operator made it look so easy. If you're in the market for a trencher, this one is definitely worth checking out. Number 5, the Wirtgen W2-100 is the ultimate road construction machine. With a hefty weight of 36.3 tons and a track width of 350 mm, it delivers a 2,200 mm cutting width and a 320 mm cutting depth. Its operating speed of 86 per meter min and travel speed of 5 kilometers h make it a powerhouse on any site. Ideal for anyone looking to maximize efficiency and productivity. Number 24. The BM410 is a game changer for brick production. This fully automatic mobile machine makes it so easy to produce clay or mud bricks anywhere and anytime. Just load the raw materials, start the machine, and let it do the rest. Perfect for on-site construction needs. Number 25, holy moly. This Ducker Dam is a game changer. That 250-degree and rotating arm and 32-foot reach on the 1050 mean I can mow ditches, trim trees, and even reach over fences without leaving my seat. Talk about saving time in my back. Number 13, just wow. The Savannah 1720 stump puller tackles stumps with ease, pulling those up to 58 centimeter in diameter. Paired with the Savannah rotary rake, it makes post-harvest land conversion a breeze. This combination can handle 20-40 acres a day, making it a top-notch choice for forestry operations. Highly recommend. Number 14 can't get enough of the 631 scraper box. The 4-stroke 8-cylinder engine provides unmatched power. The single lever shift control and automatic gear selection make it user-friendly. The microprocessor that manages the output shaft speed is a brilliant addition. This machine is built for efficiency. Number 15. The versatile Cat D4 dozer offers excellent power and precision. The lower sloping hood provides better visibility, while the Cat C4.4 engine ensures great fuel efficiency. With features like the assistant grade technology, this dozer is perfect for operators of all skill levels. Highly recommend for anyone looking to boost their productivity. Number 10, impressed by the Braun TR4i50 wheel trencher. With an 8490 depth capacity and 450 HP, it's built for serious trenching work. The smooth-walled trenches it creates are perfect for gas line and utility installations. This machine is a game changer for any project. Number 11. This is probably one of the most beautiful Manitowoc 4600 tractors in the world. That 140-foot boom and 6.5-yard bucket is insane. It's like something out of a Transformers movie. Can't imagine what it's like to operate that thing 13 feet off the ground. Number 12. The Chippo 8010C is the ultimate chipper. With a 780 HP cat engine and a strong man truck, it's designed for the toughest jobs. The large drum and aggressive feed system produce high volumes of quality chippings. The Epsilon crane and flexible discharge options make it a standout performer. Number 20, wow, this Menk M150 Moth LC is a true classic. Love the old school charm of these drag lines. That bucket capacity is impressive, and the way it effortlessly slices through the earth is mesmerizing. It's a real testament to German engineering. Number 21, fantastic to see Turkey's first VCS 5400 chip spreader hitting the market. Vimpo has really outdone themselves with a machine designed for local conditions, offering faster service and easy access to spare parts. This is a big step forward for the industry. Number 17, McElroy Talon 2000. Amazing capabilities with the Talon 2000. Lifting pipes up to 2,000 mm and moving across challenging terrain are huge advantages. The design that allows for quick adjustment and easy tie-ins makes it a top choice for efficient and effective pipe fusion. Number 18, the Devellen DL5807 Stage V wheel loader is here, and it's a powerhouse. With a Scania DC-13 engine, it's designed for higher performance and fuel efficiency. The enhanced hydraulic system and impressive breakout force ensure you can handle the toughest materials effortlessly. Whether it's the 6.00 mm3 general purpose bucket or the 6.6 mm material handling bucket, this machine delivers on every front. Number 22. The MJ47 is an impressive machine that stands out in any large quarry setting. Its heavy-duty vibrating grizzly feeder and 200 HP motor provide exceptional crushing power. The modular design simplifies setup and operation, making it perfect for contractors aiming to maximize efficiency and output. A true powerhouse in every sense. Number 23, just checked out the Eberhard Volvo L350H, and it looks fantastic. The 285 kW engine and the large bucket capacity make it ideal for heavy lifting and material handling. The advanced features like the load sensing system enhance productivity and save energy. Excellent choice for any heavy-duty application. Number 20. The Cress SC 400T slab carrier is a marvel of modern engineering. Its rapid round-trip cycle and high-lift hydraulic tongs streamline slab handling and transportation. With a cycle time of just 5 minutes and the capability to handle slabs directly from any surface, it's both efficient and user-friendly. The durability and comfort of this carrier make it an outstanding investment for any mill or storage yard. Number 21, the Volvo FH116 750 10X4 is truly built for the big jobs. Equipped with a powerful 750 HP engine and a 10X4 drive system, this truck excels in transporting massive loads and navigating tough terrain. The air suspension and advanced braking system ensure stability and safety, while the Globetrotter XL cabin keeps drivers comfortable on long hauls. For heavy-duty transport and construction, this truck is a top performer. Number 11, TrioTrack X2 3200. Say goodbye to manual feed, mixing with the TrioTrack X2 3200. This self-propelled mixer is built for efficiency with a 32 M3 capacity and a 3-auger system that ensures thorough mixing. Its ability to handle different feed components and its flexible discharge options mean you can tailor the feeding process to your farm's needs. Plus, the touchscreen control makes everything simple and streamlined. Number 2, the Kometo 900-ton transporter girder is transforming the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway construction. Watching it move colossal concrete beams effortlessly is nothing short of impressive. This transporter is a perfect example of how cutting-edge technology is making complex construction tasks simpler and more efficient. Number 3, high-performance rock trencher for mid to big-size pipelines. The 1475XL EVO is one of the largest test-mech chainsaw trencher, belonging to the 100 metric ton class. Trenchtronic 5.0 equipped. The 630 HP powered unit can dig trenches for big diameter pipe up to 16 to 488 cm, deep in the toughest conditions. 1475XL EVO chainsaw combines high chain pull and low chain speed thanks to its upgraded flywheels, gearboxes, and new hydraulic components. Number 12, the CIFA K67H is truly a marvel in concrete pumping technology. With its 67-meter reach and intelligent management system, it stands out as the longest truck-mounted pump on the market. The 7-section boom with RRZ folding geometry and carbon fiber sections ensures exceptional stability and performance. Plus, with its lightweight yet robust design, it's an excellent choice for large-scale projects. Number 13, giant disc saw cutting blocks. Meet the giants of the stone industry, giant disc saws. With blade diameters up to 3 meters and diamond segments, these powerful machines cut through hard stone like granite and marble, transforming them into slabs for countertops, flooring, and more. Truly remarkable. Number 14, the Sleipner DB130 is a beast when it comes to heavy-duty hauling. With its capacity to move equipment up to 130 tons at speeds of 15-30 km/h, it's perfect for managing large machinery in busy quarries. The tilting bed makes loading a breeze, and its high ground clearance and nimble turning radius ensure it can handle various terrains with ease. A must-have for efficient and flexible operations. Number 2, Shell Oil Platform. Shell's whale oil platform is a true testament to modern engineering. Designed to withstand waves as high as 30 meters, it reaches a staggering height of 110 meters with its iconic crane. Weighing 25,000 tons, this structure is built for durability and performance in the toughest seas. Truly impressive. Number 3, the TA230 Latronic is a beast. Designed for rugged off-road use, it features a powerful 265 km/h, 360 HP engine, and a 28,000 kg payload. The 6x6 all-wheel drive and solid axle mounts ensure it can tackle any terrain with ease. Plus, the easy maintenance design is a huge time saver. Number 7, check out the Technique Cairo Slag Taurus P120. This beast of a machine carries up to 120 tons of slag, withstanding temperatures over 1,000 degrees Celsius. It's packed with safety features: overload protection, fireproof coating, surveillance systems, and a fire suppression system. Plus, its advanced control system separates residual metals, boosting efficiency and resource conservation. A powerhouse in steel mill recycling. Number 8, bridge construction has never been this efficient. The SLJ932, weighing 580 tons and 92 meters long, is a game changer. It can transport and place concrete beams at 5 km reach, connecting bridge piers with ease. With 64 wheels that can rotate 90 degrees, it navigates difficult terrains like valleys effortlessly. This machine is a testament to modern engineering brilliance. Number 23, the DeWolf RA360 sets new standards in harvesting. Equipped with 3 adjustable hydraulic sieving webs and a large bunker, it delivers excellent sieving results and handles diverse field conditions effortlessly. The front-mounted Halm separator with depth control and side shift makes sure the ridges remain intact, and the offset harvesting technique ensures minimal soil compression and high-quality output. Number 24, meet the AZ MEB Doorside Tipper AB Triple, the ultimate heavy-duty hauler. Imagine a rail-free train of tipper trucks on your site. Built from tough 450-grade steel, this tipper delivers rapid and even tipping with its double-acting hydraulic cylinders. It's a powerhouse of performance. Number 4, the Braun 585 is a beast of a drainage plow. With 536 550 HP and the ability to plow to a depth of 90 inches, it's the go-to for contractors. The improved visibility and operator comfort make long jobs easier. Weighing in at 76 to 460, 93,000 lbs, it's built to handle any soil condition. Number 8, Loving the Finley J1480, the Jacques JW55 jaw delivers up to 7 multi-TPH. The hydrostatic drive is perfect for demolition, and the 10mm3 hopper with hydraulic folding sides makes setup a breeze. Plus, the vibrating pan feeder and independent pre-screen ensure optimal dirt and fine separation. Number 26 just saw the Mobis Faltaflieger in action, and it's impressive. The folding trailer design is a game changer for managing timber loads and navigating challenging terrain. The quick fold and unfold process is efficient and makes a big difference in tight areas. Definitely a must-have for loggers. Number 27, the Palms grapple is incredibly versatile and efficient. The ability to lift, move, and load various materials with ease is amazing. The 360-degree rotation allows for great maneuverability, and it's built to last with its high-strength steel construction. Perfect for improving productivity in forestry and recycling. Number 29, hydrogen power meets snow grooming with the Prianth Lightwolf H2 Motion. Its 13-liter hydrogen ice engine delivers 338 kWh, 460 HP, offering familiar performance for operators and technicians. Number 6, check out the P&H 4100 XPC AC90. With a nominal payload of 80-90 tons and a dipper capacity of 54-64 cubic yards, it's designed for efficiency and cost effectiveness. This electric rope shovel is perfect for loading massive haul trucks and keeping production high. A must-have for tough mining environments. Number 7, the Royal Smith 380K Transformer is a true colossus. Weighing 685,000 obs and measuring 250 feet in length, it's an engineering marvel. Bale Brothers Crane and Rigging did a fantastic job transporting this giant, which stands 18 feet 6 inches high and is 18 feet wide, over a 67-mile route in just 4 days. The precision and skill required for this operation are remarkable. Number 15, the S-64. Sky Crane is one of the most impressive helicopters out there. With its enormous lifting capacity and robust design, it's no wonder it's used for so many heavy lift operations. The transition from the S-60 to the S-64, with its 6-blade rotor and powerful engines, shows just how advanced Sikorsky's engineering is. A remarkable machine. Number 16. The Diamant 2000 is a serious contender in the chipper market. Its ability to handle different chipping materials with interchangeable knife carriers is a great feature, plus the chain-free drive and quick counterblade change make it a highly efficient and user-friendly machine. Number 10. Wow, the Bucyrus 650B dragline is massive. Weighing in at around 13,500 tons and equipped with a bucket that can hold up to 125 cubic meters of material, this machine is a true powerhouse. It's amazing to think that this beast is still used for open pit mining, especially for coal.